In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to convert your USDT to TON on Bybit. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So the steps are actually very simple. You are welcome to Tutor Faraday channel. Right here is the home page of my Bybit. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the assets icon. You need to click on that in order to go to this page. So in order for you to actually convert your USDT to TON on your Bybit, you need to click on the account. Now let's take for instance the USDT is on funding. You need to click on funding like this. Then click on the search button and search for USDT. When you do that, you're going to be able to see the total amount of USDT you have on your Bybit or any other wallet you are using for this. Go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, at the bottom of the screen, you can see convert. You can go ahead and click on that in order for you to be able to convert the USDT to TON. You can see where it says USDT here and you can see Ethereum. Click on the Ethereum or whatever coin you are seeing there. Click on it and click on the search button. Then go ahead and search for TON. When you search for TON like this, you need to input the amount of USDT you want to transfer. So after inputting it like this, at the bottom of the screen, you can see the option of quotes. So once you click on quote, you'd be able to convert the USDT into TON depending on the amount you actually inputted. So this is the steps you need to actually take in order to convert your USDT to TON on your Bybit or any other wallet. Hope you found this video helpful. This is Tutor Faraday channel. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.